Stop saying very good. It's not wrong, but if you use it all the time, your English starts to sound repetitive. Let's fix that. Here are 3 powerful words that instantly make your English sound more natural and more impressive. Word 1. Excellent. E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-T. Excellent means extremely good. It's stronger than just saying good. For example, instead of saying, "Your presentation was very good," say, "Your presentation was excellent." One simple word, a much stronger compliment. Word 2. Outstanding. O-U-T-S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Outstanding means better than almost everyone else. It's a word people often use for top performances, great achievements, and exceptional work. Instead of saying, "She did a very good job," say, "She did an outstanding job." It sounds more meaningful and leaves a stronger impression. Word 3. Exceptional. E-X-C-E-P-T-I-O-N-A-L. Exceptional means unusually good, something that's rare, something that stands out. Instead of saying, "His performance was very good," say, "His performance was exceptional." That's the kind of vocabulary that makes your English sound more advanced. Now let's make it easy to remember. Good, excellent, outstanding, exceptional. Each word is stronger than the one before it. So the next time you're about to say very good, pause for a second and choose a better word instead. Small vocabulary changes can make a big difference. Follow Minto for simple English lessons that help you speak with confidence. And tell me in the comments, which word will you use first? Excellent, outstanding, or exceptional?